Ahem. Another day in paradise. Copenhagen. Woke up today. I changed rooms first. Got a better room. I mean, not only do I deserve, but you all deserve. All of you that are present, all of you doing your thing to sharpen your sword. Iron sharpens iron. Ain't that ironic as well? That we doing nothing but the best. Go about our day. Yeah. Sorry, bro. So, yeah, I was just riding right now through this stone road to get to this Michelin star restaurant, right? And the restaurant is so unassuming and small. I passed by it yesterday, and now I just passed by it, didn't even notice it. Had arrived. I didn't even notice it. That's how small and unassuming it is. Is it even open? Ask and you shall receive. Oh! Wow! Nobody's here. 2 people. Interesting. Let's see if they're... I don't speak Danish. I don't know. Sorry. Between speed and forgetting. Real quick. Japanese white tea to start. Thank you so much. And now for starters, fresh oysters, fresh handmade this morning, baked sourdough bread, and butter from the north of Denmark. Enough of me yapping. Elegance, freshness. Look at that whipped butter. Look at that beautiful bread. Ooh wee. That's elegance. Freshness. Toast number 2, fresh sourdough. Chef says here we have green asparagus with elderflower monk and some lemon sprinkled on top. Try this little sauce first. Crazy. Ooh, the way it's crunchy still.
Some cod with potato foam. Then we have a mix of sea herbs on top, and on top of that you have some mussel foam.
Wow.
Enjoy.
Amazing. Thank you, man. Look at that. Potato foam. Codfish. Smells very strong fish. This is it right here. Doing this for y'all. Potato foam. Smells potatoey. The crust, that potato foam is crema catalana with saffron. This is what it looks like. Maybe 2 points off for the quantity. Maybe I just wanted more. This is Super Killien. Super Killien from court. Mixed in with a skate park. Got towers, got views. Fucking sweet out here, man. We'll get some jump shots off. Yeah. Sick. What's up, homie? Wow. That is crazy. The serenity of the present moment. That's what I'm saying. Going to the museum right here. I think it's called SMK. Honey. Oh my. Fire, sunset. Food from everywhere in this